All right, folks, here we go. Friday, last day of the week, and it's a big one. May jobs report due out just over an hour. Expectation from traders is a strong number, looking for 670,000 plus jobs created last month. Now, you may remember back in April, we had a disappointing number. Came out at 250,000 plus jobs, well below the expectation. Now, yesterday, we had the private payroll report, the ADP report. It came out just over 900,000, so very strong number. As a result, you saw the dollar rally hard against a number of currencies, up against the euro, up 1% against the Aussie, and broke above 110 against the yen. So a lot of strength in the dollar off that number. We'll see what shakes out today. If we get a big, strong number today, could see a continuation of that rally in the dollar. Now, stock market heading into that number, flat, not a lot of action as you would expect. Oil just shy of $70 a barrel. It's a big day, folks. Hope you're ready. Let's get in there. Let's have a little bit of fun. Let's finish the week strong. Trade some price action. I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye-bye.